what will make him? What will make him turn? What will make him turn me off like that? What made him do that though?
I don't know. It's maybe how the way you act or some shit. Maybe the way you it's something you did that he don't like and turn him off about you.
Okay, this is what I said to him though. This is what I said. I ain't calling for like a whole week or something like that. So look, but I tell him, and this is what I said. I said you don't got no money, you homeless, you 18, you don't got a car, you don't got a job, you ain't going to school, you smart. He said, what's the reason you with me? I said you look good.
Really?
What you think?
So you saying that he ain't got no job and he homeless and shit?
Huh?
You said he ain't got no job and he homeless and shit?
I told him that. I said like this. He said, I was like, you homeless, you ain't got no job, you don't got a car, you don't got anything. I said so look, what you think about that though?
Shit, like I said, damn, that nigga probably ain't feeling your ass.
I heard his feelings, bro. You supposed to get over that. You know, you supposed to take it like a man. When I didn't knock down. I said something. I said some stuff that, and then afterwards I was like, okay, I'm sorry. I hope I didn't hurt your feelings. And he said, yeah, okay, baby. That's what he said. You feel me on that?
Yeah, I feel you. I said, yeah, I feel you. But shit, let me call you back though, alright?
Huh?
I said, let me call you back, alright?
What? Alright.